Hey, Seth David here from the world-famous Nerd Enterprises Incorporated, and I want to welcome you to the Accountant and Bookkeeper's Guide to the Galaxy. Now, what is this? This is a free resource that I've been working on and will continue to work on. My goal, in fact, is to add something to it every day. Sometimes it'll be more subtle and you won't notice it. Other times it'll be more significant. But the bottom line is, this is my way of using a product that I've loved for many years called The Brain to provide you with a resource the way I believe it should be laid out, which is with the geometric relationships that actually exist between the different apps that we use and different ideas and concepts that we need to employ as resources to help us build and grow our accounting practices. Let's take a look at my screen and I'll show you. If you're on the web page, by the way, and you're viewing this from a mobile browser, you will not see the resource embedded there. It renders horribly on a mobile browser. So I'm going to scroll down to the very bottom of this page and show you what I'd love you to do. First, you'll click here where it says the Brain app, and you can access the different apps. I would suggest mobile and desktop apps. In both cases, you'll get a much better experience in terms of browsing around this resource and accessing the information. And the app is free. It doesn't cost you anything. With a free account, you'll be able to access this view only, which is all you would be able to access anyway. You won't be able to make changes, but get the apps and fill this quick form out to let me know that you'd like an invite, and I will send you one shortly to invite you so that you can access this resource directly on your desktop app or your mobile app, as the case might be. In the meantime, if you are going to look at this on the web, my suggestion is from this initial home thought, which is what these are called. These are all called thoughts. You'll see the notes on the right of anything. Click this link here, and it will launch it and open it up in a new tab for you. And it just gives you a little bit more space to work with, and it works a little better, right? So it takes you right over here. And as I said, these are all different thoughts. First of all, if you have any questions, if you want to contact us about this resource, and most significantly, maybe if you have a suggestion, if there's an app you don't see here that you think should be here, or any other kind of resource, a document template, let's say, click here. It will take you to a ClickUp form that I've created. And just fill out the form. It's very straightforward, name, email, and then what's your idea, resource, or question. And I've even included the ability for you to upload and attach documents if you'd like a template that you have maybe that you've created to be included in the resource. If you'd like credit, just indicate as much when you fill out the idea, resource, or question section here, and let me know that you'd like credit. Include the link to your firm's website, whatever you want to be included when I give you that credit. Now, how to use it. Let's say you're searching for information on LinkedIn. At the bottom right is the search box. As soon as I start typing linked, it finds LinkedIn. And you'll see that I've created a video here on how to get clients on LinkedIn using ClickUp as a mini CRM. This video is not available anywhere else. It's exclusive to this resource. If you click on the thumbnail image here, it will take you right over to YouTube. The video on YouTube is unlisted. So the only way to get access to this is through here, or of course if you share the link with somebody else, which you're welcome to do. That's one example. If you click on the home thought up at the top here, I've given you some sort of quick bookmarks here to get to things that I think you want to get to frequently and quickly. You can use this. And then let's say you want to take a look and say, oh, we have sponsors here, right? So Bilby's is a sponsor. Liscio is a sponsor. If you click on Liscio, you'll notice they're also linked to other areas. Again, this is an example. This is a great example of the different geometric relationships, right? I have them as a sponsor, but also they're a good app for document management, for engagement letters, and general practice management. So I've got them linked here, and once again, there's a thumbnail here which will take you to a video that you can watch to learn more about Liscio, right? And you'll also find there should be a URL here which I'll go back and grab and include so that you can click right over to the web page, my sort of partner page that I have with these guys, so that you can sign up, take a free trial, what have you. That, my friends, is basically it. It's enough for you to know what it takes to get started. And again, use the contact feedback suggestion form to let me know if you have any questions or suggestions about how to evolve this. I hope that you find that you can get a lot out of this resource. I look forward to getting lots of suggestions from many of you that I can include here. My goal is to include something, to add something to this. Sometimes it'll be small, sometimes it'll be significant, but something every single day so that this resource is constantly growing. I look forward to getting your feedback on this.